Hi guys. So we are going to be starting our e-learning on this new platform. You will get into the learning in just a moment, but I did want to show you how things are going to kind of look from here on out. So all of your classes will be using Edsby, and as you know, and you should have already created your profile for Edmodo and completed the poll. So I'm on Mason's profile right now. He and his mom allowed me to use his profile just to show you what you will see. So Monday, I was still in progress. That's why this says in progress. So you are going to follow the directions on Edsby as are listed. So start with number 1. So this says watch this video first in order to access everything needed today. So you are doing number 1 right now. So here are the links of what we are going to be using today. So we have From Seed to Pine Tree. So you can click on this and it'll open you up to the story, or you can access it through Myon. And all of you know how to get to Myon. We've all done it in class, but please feel free to message me if you are having issues. You can watch a quick nonfiction text feature video on YouTube that I linked. And then this is where you will complete the activity. So this is kind of what I wanted to show you today. This is where it might get a little tricky. I'm still working out the kinks. Please be patient with me. I am trying my best, as are you guys. So this is a Google Doc. And so basically what this is we can all get on this and access this at the same time. See here, I'm currently on it. You can see my name right here. But what I want you guys to do is to save it to your computer first. So save it to your computer first. So we're going to go to, so I went to File. Then you're going to go to Save As again. So then you can just, it's having you rename it. So how about we just take away the 1? So just take away the 1, just press Save. Save it to your computer. And then you are going to complete the activity on your own. And then you are going to save it again. And then I will show you how to share it back to me. So let's say that I went through and I'm doing the activity, so I'm going to add another text feature, and I'm just going to say there's a map. And I'm going to give a purpose of a map, shows us where on the map some place is located. And then I'm going to do this section right here. Okay, say I'm all done. So I want to share this back to Miss Bishop. So I'm going to go up here where it says share. And all you have to do is type in my name, Megan Bishop. Please make sure you share it with me. And then you are going to send it, or you can copy the link and send it back to me through Edsby. If it is too hard, you can have your parent take a picture. There's also, if you are really tech savvy, then you can do a print screen and copy and paste it to me. I'm just really hoping that this works. So if it does not work, please message me. I will be online on Monday as you are completing this, and I will help you work out the kinks. Okay, so going back to this. So that is where you're going to actually complete the activity. Below this, there is going to be a link to Edmodo. You are going to complete a quick little mini assessment each day on Edmodo. It's more interactive. And so yeah, that's it. So everything's here. Remember, if you would like to message me, you can go up here and click on the little letter tab and send me a message. You can actually also, eventually you'll be able to comment on these posts. I will make mine open so that you can do that. But hopefully this explanation was clear to you. Again, please be patient with me. I'm trying. This is everybody's first time doing this e-learning. I hope that this is fun. I hope you enjoy it. And go ahead and start watching the next video to get into the lesson. All right, bye guys.